Uh, not too many high flyers, but the Sensex is off to a good start. Hunasa, you could argue back and say that it is work in progress. So I'm not frankly of the view that the stock should run up post these numbers, but markets are markets. What really deserves a special mention would be Kotak Mahindra Bank. And has the weather changed for Kotak Mahindra Bank? Seemingly so, both on the earnings front, on the technical front, and also on the regulatory front. The small and mid cap indices are off to a good start, which is good, which means markets are picking it up from where they left yesterday. Since we don't have too many newsmakers today, I think the market would be a function of more sentiment and less news. But it's good to see that right at the start, the small and the mid cap indices are showing signs of stability. So the lower you go in terms of the assortment, the higher the gains are. So it's not a bad market. The breadth is looking seemingly positive now.
All right, but let's also have a look at some of the broader market movers as well, because the breadth of the market looks quite favorable on NSE. The number of advances are seen to be favoring more and riding ahead of the declines rather. But a lot of these F&O movers as well in today's trading session. From the list itself, it's Jubilant Foodworks. Look at this particular stock, almost a 6% jump coming in on this counter. Although the earnings were subdued, but the analyst community do like the outlook of the company, and some have even upgraded. It's a 6% jump coming in on this stock. Muthoot Finance, another strong candidate, almost a 4% perk up there. And some of these pharma names are actually doing well. Stock case in point being Aurobindo Pharma, Biocon, Lupin, Divi's Lab, gaining anywhere between 3 to 5%. Ashok Leyland, another strong candidate after an 8% jump yesterday. Today as well, on the back of management commentary, is up around 2.5%. And even I believe that today is the day of pharma, because tick by tick, minute by minute, we are seeing many of these names from the likes of Norris Lab as well joining the league. But Natco Pharma, on the other hand, the numbers were really weak. There was a big miss on the margins. The stock is actually down about 15% right now, 16 rather. But on the flip side, Bharat Forge reacting to the numbers. Cements too, 2.5% cut there, and Oil India retracing back 2% right now. Oberoi Realty is also one of the top draggers in the F&O side. But today believe that Kotak Mahindra Bank definitely leading it from the front in terms of the Nifty gainers. Pharma names also perking up, and Muthoot stocks like Muthoot Finance as well as L&T Finance are doing well in trade today.
All right, Varish, what is the trade for the day now?
So expecting markets to consolidate in this range, looking out for a bounce back in names which have been leading. So something like UPL looks interesting at current levels.
All right, that's the take coming in from Naresh. UPL is something that he's eyeing at. But Kunal, what about you? What are your first trade ideas?
So I'll go with the man Bajaj Finance. That's a chart which is starting to look very attractive, especially at a point when the stock has retraced more than 300 points from its recent swing highs.